Bitcoin is right now breaking towards the downside, but guys, do not get trapped right now. Bitcoin is currently trading at a massive level of support, so we need to be talking about this exactly. We are creating this bullish divergence and a big breakout is going to be inevitable right now. So in this update video, we need to be talking about that exactly and much more. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, in the short term, Bitcoin has just been absolutely crashing back towards the downside, breaking down below massive levels of support, and like you can be seeing over here, breaking this previous level of support over here back in towards resistance right now at this current moment. So in that short term, this is definitely not looking very good at all. But we can still be seeing that on this time frame over here, we are still holding this level over here as support. So we need to be still holding this level over here. Otherwise, we are going to be falling straight back towards the downside. But I will be talking about these price targets in just a single minute. But first of all, yes, in the short term, Bitcoin is actually starting to create a signal of strength with these bullish divergences right now getting created and starting to play out. And also in the short term, this symmetrical triangle starting to be created. So guys, this is going to be massive for what is about to happen next for Bitcoin. If you are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, we are definitely going to be seeing a bigger bounce, and in that case, I do think we are going to be seeing a big bounce from this level of support over here. But if you are going to be seeing a break down below this level over here, a break towards the downside, definitely I think that this downtrend over here is going to be continuing, and that we are just going to be seeing another massive crash towards the downside and this support level getting broken and once again flipping in towards resistance. So what is going to be happening in that imminent short term is definitely going to be crucial for what is about to happen next for Bitcoin. So definitely make sure to be watching this exactly. Anyways, I think that this is just going to be a massive Bitcoin bear trap. We are seeing Bitcoin absolutely just crashing towards the downside. Well, if we are going to be having a look into what's the stock market, well, the stock market has just still been printing these new highs. And for Bitcoin, we also did not get any news that we should be start to be getting worried. So that is why I do think that this dump we are getting right now for Bitcoin is going to be a massive trap. At least we are sitting at a major level of support. This is still looking good. And if we are just still going to be zooming out, we can still be seeing that, yes, we are just maybe potentially just starting to create a bigger consolidation over here. That could definitely be a very good possibility we are about to create right now in the market. Anyways, do keep in mind that if we are going to be breaking down below this level of support over here, well, in that case, we are definitely going to be headed for way lower targets. In my opinion, if we're going to be once again reaching back below this level of support over here, I think we are going to be filling up this wick. But I am just going to be seeing this Bitcoin dip, if you are going to be seeing it, as a gift, literally to be buying even more cheap Bitcoin and to be opening up my massive Bitcoin trade. Of course, I've been talking about this scenario exactly for the past couple of weeks, very extensively. But yeah, definitely in the short term, this breakout over here is going to be ultimately very decisively. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now in that imminent short term, definitely make sure to be checking out a first link down below. Because with the first link down below, you will now be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus, and on top of that, you can also be claiming this $500 free trade. So definitely make sure to be clicking on the first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, complete KYC level 1, and there you go, you can be claiming this free trade over here. Anyways, if we are going to be zooming out for Bitcoin even more, we can still be seeing that, yes, we are trading inside of this bull flag over here. And ultimately, I do think we are going to be getting this very massive and beautiful break towards the upside. But yeah, patience is what we are going to be needing right now. Ultimately, I do think we are going to be seeing this very bullish break towards the upside. But right now, because of this small minor dump back towards the downside right now, yeah, it is just going to be taking a little bit longer, but do still keep in mind that the longer we are going to be consolidating inside of this range over here, which we are currently trading in, well, the more explosive the move eventually will be towards the upside. That is always how Bitcoin is moving. The longer we are consolidating, the more explosive the move will eventually be. So yeah, we are still just consolidating for Bitcoin, but if we are still going to be just zooming out, we are just consolidating in this very bullish pattern over here. So that is just where we need to be paying our attention to. Anyways, guys, do not get fooled right now in the short term. I think this is going to be a massive trap, but ultimately, this symmetrical triangle over here is just going to be the deciding factor. If you are either going to be seeing a break towards the upside or towards the downside over here, a break is going to be imminent very, very soon. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.